G'day folks, we're back in. We were back again. We're at Russ's place. And we're gonna fire up and take the case off of his late 50s or early
I'd say 60s. Look at the control
60s.
panel.
Yeah, just like the one I have, G-1.
We're also gonna guess what compressor it has in there because I honestly haven't a clue.
We don't, yeah.
I noticed that spine fin coils is part of the condenser though.
Yeah,
I wonder why they didn't use that in here.
The evaporator, yeah, and careful with these like the brake, as I kind of found
You found
out.
out the hard way? How the hell?
Yeah, I don't know.
This got reversed. I don't even know how the hell that happened,
Yeah,
but it did.
I'm
I'll mess with it and take it off. Here's a data plate right here.
Yep. So it's got the plate fin on the front,
You get this.
and then spine fin on the back. Now this is a 9K, right? You said?
I'm assuming so.
Okay, and then it has. Then it looks like it has behind this secondary gear. It looks like it has plate fin behind that. But anyways, you ready to fire up?
Oh, yes, you are, man.
Hell yeah, send it.
Fucking send it. Slow fan.
These are good. Yep. I was gonna say, the fan. Speeds. This way will make a good noise. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, give me 1 minute here. Oh, that's for, yeah. That blade will cut you up if you touch it this way.
Oh yeah.
It's with the, yeah.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Oh crap. That's rotary. Is that rotary?
I doubt it.
That sounds like a rotary. I don't know why it does.
Put it this way, I'm not leaning for AJ or paint.
No.
Not a feeder right now. Don't fuck it in.
Hey, that'd be the AK is like a step up from the AK. There's no way, if this is 9,000, there's no way this has like 8 in unit. The biggest units I've seen with an 80 is like 6. That's it. And this
Really does not sound like an AJ or
pancake. It sounds like
although it does have freaking spine fins.
so yeah, it must be later than mine, because mine's came out in 1960.
It's fine, it's 60.
Well,
I think
it might be the
it's
last.
not making them. I think it's here it is.
It might, because they were from 56 or 57 to 63. 63 was the last year. Yeah. That would make
I'll tell you what, it doesn't vibrate at all. And it's very quiet. Yeah, very cold.
It's getting oh yeah, ice cubes, just like the one I got. And it's a lot quieter than the one I got, because well, it's probably like less than about half the size of that. Even on high.
Even on high, it's a good
You
runner.
leave it on high and you'd be just fine. Plus you get more airflow with the coils on high.
And this I could easily, I'd probably just take the door off and just make just frame out a
Careful hand.
grill around it. Oh, that would hurt.
Yeah, that would, yeah. Those those blades are pitched pretty steeply, and
they aim out, so yeah, it'll nick you.
chop and yeah.
But yeah, I bet you I could make a decent. Yeah. I take the door off of it and just kind of like frame it out around a control panel. Maybe if I could put like washers on here to bring this out further, I could do it that way. But yeah, I'm pretty confident that I could make something work. I would do kind of like what I did for the Filker with that fan, with the radiator covers.
Mm-hmm.
Keep that rolling. I want to find out what kind of compressor this has in there.
Absolutely. We're gonna turn off the video anyways. All right. Take these apart, because I have slight experience. There would be the screws along the bottom, and then the screw walking up here for your window kit.
Wow, these are threaded. No shit.
Yeah, they're threaded all the way through. And then the grills to take off the back, the screws to take off the back. And then the front grill and everything comes up with the case. That's how they're designed. Also, safety third, let's unplug it.
I'm not afraid.
I'm always paranoid about that.
Do I have to take the back grill off or
yes,
no?
Yes, you do.
I don't take it off.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta take all the screws out of the side.
Including the top one?
Yes. I might be able to leave.
That's a that's slotted. That's different. I say we try it with it on, and if I take it off, I will.
Yeah, might have to.
That one's freaking stripped.
Oh, dang it.
Nothing a pair of
Vice grips
won't.
Yep, I'm sure you've done that trick many times before. Yeah. Get on and squeeze absolutely.
Or
crap out of it.
a flathead bit might actually get it. So in fact, I might need a flathead bit anyway.
Yeah. These things are pretty awesome. They're real tall though, so you can put them in windows, but they gotta be tall enough. So I think this is 20. Yeah, they're all 20 inches high. Shame you can't really see. I think I was gonna say mine's deeper, but I don't know. But for some reason this looks a little bit shorter than 20 inches. Maybe just I don't know.
There you go, I got it.
All right, good stuff.
So we're just not gonna use this.
Yeah, that's that screw goes inside the note pile.
That is NFG is what that is.
Absolutely.
All right, so am I missing anything? Oh,
the back grill. And then there should be they only okay. They're long. Looks like I only got one screw inside the bottom. Oh, two.
There's something wrong with my cart, or am I just?
Or it's just sitting wrong.
I don't want to dump it off the cart.
Yeah, that would not be good. There we go. That's.
Tell you what, it does have some weight to it.
Oh yeah, these things are not like. Yeah, that's what I said. So I think I don't have a big enough scale. Well, sort of like to put it on, put air compressors on. But I bet the one I have is every bit of 200 pounds. Or real close.
You look at the.
That should just. Yeah, just pull it off. There we go.
High beehive.
Yeah. Awesomeness.
Look at that B logo.
Just like the one I got. That's awesome.
Still can't see the compressor. Alright, let's take this freaking...
No, you have to take the, well, maybe a little bit, not really.
I don't see this being a rotary.
It shouldn't be, but...
Well, then again, how does this...
Oh, it might have...
Am I missing something here?
Okay. This has more shielding than mine. Okay. I guess there's two screws here to take this off.
That's all one piece?
Yeah. No, that's... Okay, no, this is the chassis. That's the case. Alright. We're going to put these down and we're going to... This should just pull straight.
They should be able to hear us, I think.
Try it. Actually, did we pull the screws out? Yeah. At the top? Okay.
Yep.
Alright. If you got like a flat blade screwdriver, we'll just pry the sides. Because they use like some sort of car or...
Oh, did that?
Kind of, yeah, I think. Not a lot, but some sort of adhesive. Actually, I got a little bit of coil right down here. Actually, yeah, not much. Okay. Maybe tightness here.
Oh, yep,
right.
you got it.
Yeah, and then the other side, you just gotta. Alright.
Yep. Alright.
Good
Roll
stuff.
that, I'll lift this up. We'll get it revealed at the same time.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
You'll see it before me.
Yep, well actually they have a little cardboard thing.
Oh, really? Wow, look at that.
Dang, that's a thick coil. It's a 4-layer thick coil.
That's gotta be more than
how many BTUs is this?
Probably don't say.
95?
I don't think back then. 9,500.
That is, okay.
So call it a 10.
10, yeah. Huh. That's kind of funny because the evaporator and this back condenser is plate fin, and this is spine fin.
Yeah, I really wish the.
This is really interesting.
Yeah, I really wish the evaporator was spine fin.
Yeah, that'd be neat.
But how do we get to this freaking?
You gotta take these screws off.
And this piece comes up.
Yep. They're I think they're 5/16.
The hell is
G like they're Phillips and 5/16, and some quarter and some depending on which unit you got.
5/16, you said?
Yep, it should be. Then again, watch this. Let's say it's 5/16 and it's like something else. Not my fortune. I get it wrong, but it's hard to kind of see it, but not. I don't have a light. The light's not on the camera, so is it the wrong size? It's either think it's
It
5/16.
might be 5/16, but guess what I'm missing?
5/16.
Oh yeah, of course.
Dang it. That or your the
Well, actually,
11
it
one.
might be on a different. Yeah, the 11 one might be the way.
I think it's the 11 one's size of their bits are 5/16.
Alright.
At least the variation of what I have at home, which fits these perfectly. Yeah. That should. Nope. What the?
Hang on.
Okay.
Bingo.
There we go.
Now we're cooking with gas.
All right. Make sure I can frame properly. That's one problem I got with making videos. I can't frame. I'm always pointing way down low and you can't see the action.
We could run this while we're doing it.
Yeah, we could.
Let's turn the compressor on.
Yeah.
See if you can hear it.
And then we.
I'm just gonna leave that through there because otherwise I'm gonna forget.
Yeah, you have to throw it through, which is a pain in the neck when you're doing it by yourself. Good stuff.
Let's turn the stat down. It should be.
Yeah. All right.
Probably hear it really good now.
Guess number 2.
Just one more time for shits and giggles. I don't think it's a. Is it a rotary?
I'm leaning towards a rotary. It doesn't have the growl.
It's not a pancake or an AJ, I can tell you that.
It's real smooth. And some rotaries aren't really smooth.
Yeah, and it's not a B series.
No. Unless it's like a super tiny V, but well, it doesn't vibrate. Well, then it has
The B series ain't supposed to vibrate the unit, it's just the compressor.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say if it has proper spring mounting, it'll be fine. Well, we gotta pop 2 more off the back.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll be good. If it's a rotary, that's probably one of the quietest rotaries I've ever heard. And best runners and smoothest runners. Alright. What's behind door number 1?
Oh, we didn't have to take that off.
Oh, okay.
No.
Just
Does it just peel
colors. No, it clips in.
Oh, it clips in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it might do it, but oh well.
Maybe not.
Nope.
Nope.
Okay.
Huh.
It's a rotary.
No way.
Look at that.
Yeah, it is too. Wow.
That is a chunky rotary. Dang, that thing's big. I would have never guessed a high thin line would have a rotary.
No.
Like
This has to be the
yeah.
last year for the thin line, I'd say. No, we overheated it.
Yeah. Or thermostat kicked, either one.
Maybe.
Yep. We just kicked the thermostat.
That got too hot. It is steaming too.
Oh yeah.
That is very unpleasant
just-
to stand in front of.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. That was cooking. That's amazing. And look, that's
I can find it early. That must be the first year for them to use rotary compressors in.
well, the first year was 58 for the low thin lines, which
The
had,
rotaries?
yeah, which had the spine fin for the whole unit and is different designs than the shorter version. And then so this has got to be a 62 or 63, or maybe 61. I don't know. Because like I said, I never would have thought a high thin line. Now I know the low thin lines when they came out with rotaries. But and when they had some hard times, shortages getting them, they I think occasionally had some recips in the low thin lines. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. I would have never expected that. Benny, you get forward to something the other day. He's doing. No, it doesn't have a lot of it. But when the case is on, you can feel a great coming out the back. Oh, that's why. Both this whole thing's going to hurt. Listen. Yeah.
You can pick the compressor back on yet? Yep.
Yeah.
No shit.
I mean, you can hear the growl of it now. But that doesn't growl. That is insane.
Tell you what, I bet it's going to be a good new bright show.
Oh, absolutely. Is that today or? We are supposed to have really bad rain this time.
Yeah, when that hurricane's rolling. Ida,
Yeah.
destroyed Louisiana.
Yeah, I heard that.
It was real bad. Wow, look
Here's-
at that freaking, that thing is blocked, man.
Yeah. That and it has springs for rotary.
Yeah, and the springs are look like they're shot, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. I mean, it's quiet as it is, but I bet it's even quieter back in the day.
Yeah.
That
That's
sucks.
good.
That's freaking cold.
This thing's awesome.
It is.
Like I said, I never would have thought one had a rotary. I thought they all had, at least the 5 ones always had recips. But
I want the one with the S.
that'd be awesome to find one of those. And you know they're a paddle blade similar design. They're still road-like fan.
That's probably gonna overheat even like that.
Because the airflow is not much over the most.
Yeah, put this back on it. I think it went this way, right?
Yeah, it's gonna get pushed.
You can hear it. Look at that, already quieted down. Probably like, thank you.
Finally, some airflow.
Yeah, rotary compressors do not necessarily equate to it being junk.
No. I mean,
But-
we don't prefer recips, but. So
I don't think there's a. I don't think there's a collector that doesn't prefer a recip.
Like I said, for rotary, that's first off surprising, second off, this thing's awesome.
It is. Like I said, it is a little bit. It is kind of beat too, but
Yeah. A little crusty, just like mine's. The one I got have in rotary used.
this whole entire thing is freezing.
Oh, yeah. They get very cold very quickly. Like mine frosts up a little bit and then thaws out. Yeah, these things are awesome.
Freaking stinks. I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like you need this piece on
Oh,
there.
absolutely. Yeah. Without that, then you would just need to get rid of it.
What, does this have two? Yeah, it does.
It has the upper condenser and a little one. Mine has the same 1960. I thought this one was. I think the one.
Dude, yours has to be. That has a B series. Yours has to be deeper.
Oh, yeah. It would have to be.
The dimensions are the same, I'm sure. Height and width.
But yeah, mine. It's got a 5. It's got at least 4 there. They might have a 5 there.
I can't believe it's got a rotary compressor.
So, like I said, sorry for the framing. I can't frame videos. So I'm not looking through the camera at all. Yeah, it's right in here where it clips in.
I see it has these clips right here, though. Yeah, it
Okay,
does.
so that's okay. It's been a little while since I put mine apart. There we go.
There we go. There we go. We got it. Running a lot happier now.
Just gotta hold it here. This is on
I mean, this is going to be an easy unit to do, right? Honestly.
Oh yeah. I guess yeah. Why not? It's already outside. Kind of. Are we gonna move around to the back, or are we just gonna do it here? I've got a hose.
We can do it right here.
All right. That'd be great.
You said you have a problem with posting longer videos to your channel, or?
These two, not much.
Oh, these two good.
Yeah, this is me. A 2-minute long video. Better than long so much here.
Yeah, my longest one was just filmed the other day.
Yeah, it's
Over an hour.
It was awesome. Though.
You actually made it through the whole thing.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Hell, thank you. I have no problem doing that. I set aside some time. Like, well, here it's YouTube time, so 2 or 3 hours later, sometimes 4 or 5, depending on the night. That spin down's still really good on it. And that fan motor has yet to be touched.
I bet you the thing's going to be disgusting.
Oh yeah. Just like mine's. They're both about the same as far as dirt goes.
I think I already have New Bright mixed up too, so we're literally.
Good stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna stop the video now, and we will be back when we come to clean it up. Oh crap. Part malfunctions. We'll be right back. Thank you for watching.